Batmobile Tumbler, issue 45. Elements of the left shock absorber. Today we're going to be doing the shock absorber support. First we remove the existing screw. We can now disregard that, and we keep the shock absorber 11A to the side. Next we take 45B, and that will come in from the top, and then we screw this one on the bottom side. As you can see, it basically keeps it in place. So we hook it over that. Take the shock absorber rod, stick it back on. Take the screw. And screw it together. Once that's screwed together, we'll turn it over. Then we need to take out the two screws here, and then this will then go over the top of the support that we've just put on there. So that will go over the top and screw like that. So let's undo the screws. Then we can discard the screws. Take the support 45C, hook it over the top of the support that we just put on, and then we will screw it together with the new BM screws that were supplied. Turn it back over. Next we're going to install the shock absorber plate 45A. So you can see it's got left hand, we're working on the left hand side. So I'm going to screw it there. So first of all I'm going to take one of the CM screws supplied, and I'm going to oil the screw. Then I'm going to cut the threads first in, screw it out a bit more. There. Take it out. Do the same for the other one, and install the plate. That's that plate complete, and we'll do the same for the right hand side. Issue 46, the right hand shock absorber. As per left hand side, we will remove the existing screw and discard that, and we will keep the rod So we discard that. Get 46B, which is marked right. As before, we will hook it over. If we just push it forward, then hook it on. Then we put the shock rod back in. And then we'll insert a BM screw to screw it all together. Well, that's in. Then we'll turn it over. And we'll remove the existing screws. Discard those. We'll take part 4K, and then as before, it hooks over the top. And then we'll screw together with the new BM screws. That's one. And that's the second one. So you can see there's that piece in, hooked over. And as per previous, we'll cut some threads in these to put the plate in. Take the CM screw, oil it, screw that in and not back out. So it'll make it easier now when we put the plate on, and we'll do the same for the other one. It turns in, take it out. Down. Then we'll take plate 46A. There. And that part is complete. Issue 47. More elements of the shock absorbers and steering bar. First, we're going to take the steering bar cover with the letter L, which is left. Make sure the steering bar is actually in the slot there. Then we put the cover over the top, this in, and then we will then screw together the cover with AM screws. And screw together with 2 AM screws. So that's the left hand side done. We'll do the same for the right hand side. Make sure the steering bar is in the slot. Take the right hand cover, we locate it over the top, and then we will screw together with AM screws. Right, that's now done as well. So it's the left hand one and the right. Next we take a shock absorber piston and a shock absorber spring. So we'll do them for the 4 of them. Just then we take 2 spacers, thread them on, second spacer, then take the spring, pop it on, then pop that in, and then we will use an ABM screw. And do the same for the second spring in, compress it slightly, pop it in, then an ABM screw from this side. Right. And we do the same for the right hand side. Two spacers. Slide the spring on into the body. Screw in from that side, do the same again on that side, screw in from that side. This one on. Compress slightly in. Oil the screw. And that side is now complete as well. Issue 48. Elements of your tumbler's jet nozzle. We place the exhaust cone 48A. We get the lens 48B with a convex side, which is the curved part that faces upwards. We push it in. We then take the exhaust nozzle, and then we insert the cone into the nozzle. Notice the orientation with these screw holes relative to those. Then we take the other part of the nozzle and we put it on tuck there, and then we screw it together with LP screws. Right, and that's the completed part of the nozzle in this issue.